Hi everyone, I'm back for another lesson I want to share with you. These are some things that I've discovered along the way that help me break the beliefs in my mind. Ano ba yung mga beliefs na to? Have you ever experienced a time na kung saan yung friends mo, people that you love, or people that you see in Facebook are very successful pero parang hindi ka masaya sa kanila? Or have you ever experienced a time wherein alam mo namang kailangan mong magbago pero takot na takot ka pa rin magbago? Have you ever wondered bakit? Why are you thinking like that? Did you know because of the past programmings of our ancestors, kumbaga yung kalololohan natin, no? Na-instill sa atin yan na hindi natin namamalayan. The first one is crab mentality. I don't know if you're familiar with this, no? Na yung mga people that we know would always think, alam mo ba yung mga Filipinos have this crab mentality? Or, when you go abroad, ito yung palagi kong naririnig. When you go abroad daw, the people that wag kayong maging close are your fellow Filipinos. Imagine, how hurtful is that? It's because bata pa tayo, we could already hear crab mentality. Filipinos have this crab mentality. Kaya, kahit ang bait-bait natin, there is still that envy in our heart. Ano ba yung envy? Inggit. Alam mo, that's one trait or one negative emotion that's stopping you from success. The more kasi na naiinggit ka sa success ng ibang tao, the more na hindi ka nagiging successful sa buhay mo. Why? Because bakit ka magiging successful hindi ka nga marunong maging masaya sa success ng ibang tao. Alam mo friend, hindi mo kasalanan yan. It's been installed sa'yo. So, the more that you become aware of it, the more that you can correct it. You might be asking, paano? How do we correct that? There's this exercise that you can do. What you do is, every day, you write down and say it out loud all the things you are thankful and grateful for. Ang simple, di ba? All the things that you are thankful and grateful for. Be thankful for the success of others, success of your friends, success of your family. Believe that you will also be successful. You will also be in their possession. Right? Di ba mas masaya na lahat tayo umaasenso? Another one, I know na takot kang magbago. You know already deep inside that you need to change. Right? You know deep inside that you need to change. Pero bakit hindi ka pa rin nagbabago? Alam mo naman na ikaw yung dahilan bakit hindi kayo close ng anak mo. Ikaw din yung dahilan bakit hindi pa kayo nagkakaayos ng mga magulang mo or yung mga taong nasaktan mo. Pero, bakit hindi ka pa rin nagbabago? Are you familiar sa mga sinasabi ng ibang tao katulad nito? Uy friend, nagbago ka na, baka kunin ka na ni Lord. Did you know that phrase is designed to trap you sa kalagayan mo? Did you know that line of thinking is designed to trap you na hindi ka magbago? Kasi bakit? Siyempre, iniisip mo na if you change, baka mamatay ka na, right? But in reality, think about this. Santo ka ba? Even if you change one thing, there's still a lot of things that you need to change in your life. So what's stopping you from changing that one? Right? When you change that one, magle-level up ka. Then after that, meron ka na namang bagong struggle, challenge sa buhay mo. And when you change that one and you overcome that one, magle-level up ka. So stop thinking na pag nagbago ka na, kukunin ka na ni Lord. Because in reality, the old you will die. But the better version yung papalit sa'yo. The more fulfilled one, the more abundant version. No, the person that okay yung relationship mo sa family mo, sa mga anak mo. So bakit ayaw mo yung ganyan? Just because of that? Are you willing to sacrifice your relationship to your children, to your partner, to your family, just because of that mindset? Try it out. Did you know I've transformed my life? I had a lot of bad behaviors that I changed along the way. And what happened? The old me died. But a better version yung kapalit nun. Think about it. No, if you're not successful in your life, there must be something na kailangan mong baguhin. You need to release your envy or inggit sa success ng ibang tao, sa happiness nila. Or, you need to also change for the better. Those are simple things. Well, libre lang naman yan. No, but when you apply it in your life will change and you will transform leaps and bounds. Bakit ayaw mo yan? Very simple, but yet it needs your decision to take action. Kasi useless lang naman lahat to kung hindi mo siya gagawin sa buhay mo. Now, those are the things that I've discovered along the way that was stopping me from becoming abundant in my life. And when I was able to release all my envy, inggit in my life, no, I was finally able to say that I'm so happy for your success. I'm so thankful and grateful for your success. I know and I believe that I will also be in that position, giving back to others. Alam mo what happened? My life flourished. And when I finally realized that it's okay to change for the better, to be a better father, better husband, better person, my life changed for the better as well. So, it's about time that we break all these beliefs na na-install sa atin from generations and generations kasi it's so unfair for your children. They need to have a better future moving forward. So, I hope that our time together has been meaningful. Meron kang nakuha to help you level up your life. I'll be giving you more lessons so that you can use, no matter what part of the world you are, kumbaga, itong mga principles na to are universal. No matter what race, language you are, culture, these are all universals that when you apply it in your life will change leaps and bounds. Now, what's stopping you? Take the first step. By the way, I'm June Acevedo. I'm a neurolinguistic programming trainer. If you want to reach out, you want to have clarity in your life, take the first step, just message me. I'm here to help you. Looking forward and expect more lessons para magbago yung buhay natin. God bless you and have a great day ahead.